Hi guys, it's Jaden from Tanner Crew. Today we're seeing how long this marshmallow can go in a microwave before it pops or whatever it does. And let's put it on this paper plate. And let's put it in. Paper plate.
What minutes are you going to put on? Because 30 seconds was... So maybe
30 seconds. Let's just do
3 minutes. But obviously it won't probably be that long.
Now we're seeing...
Oh, you probably back up. Yeah, that's probably better. That's good. Oh, there it goes.
It's starting to puff out.
My bet is it'll puff.
And puff until
and then it's
melts.
Yeah, and then it'll just deflate. Like, see, it's already deflating. That was it. Wait. Leave it.
That was it. Oh, okay, we're back. It's huge. Don't know if you guys can see it. Can I eat it? I mean, if you microwave it, oh my gosh, it's like the size of the plate now. Can you guys see that? There's an angle. There's the plate, and you can see the marshmallow inside. That thing is huge. It's getting bigger. I don't know. Oh. I think you can. I don't know.
What do you think I'll do?
I think it'll just puff up forever. Like, put it on for 1 hour.
Can I eat it?
Put it on. Oh my goodness. It's just crazy. Hey, it's me.
Is it still puffing?
Still puffing. No, I mean it's not tall. It's not tall anymore, but
It's like the world's biggest marshmallow. Imagine if we did this to a jumbo.
Like a jumbo.
You remember jumbo marshmallows?
A jumbo.
Mom? Let's do that to
Oh. Oh.
I think it's shrinking a little.
No, it's getting less tall.
Got
It's like
1 minute left.
It's like a white gumdrop.
A giant gumdrop.
It's like a giant gumdrop, yeah.
Let's
It's just getting brown now.
Wait, really?
Yeah, look at it. It's getting brown.
Yeah.
Oh, it's starting to burn. You can smell it.
Yeah, if you guys
Should we
can't-
take it out?
No.
Just let it go 30 more seconds. See
Yeah.
if you can make it.
And see if you can make it. This is the weirdest experiment that I've ever done. It's Ty's favorite. I can tell you that. Mostly because he's gonna eat it.
Who will?
Carson would. He always loves burnt marshmallows, and he loves big marshmallows.
It sure does smell like a marshmallow.
It's like black now.
I'm still eating it.
Oh, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Let's see what it did.
And
Wow!
now you guys have a clear view. That's what
It
a marshmallow
stinks,
looks like.
It looks like rubber.
It's like rubber.
Oh no.
It's like Jello, man.
I bet if you hold the plate upside down, it wouldn't fall off.
Okay. I need another.
No. It's like Jello. Ty, touch it. Touch it. Touch it, Ty. No, it's not coming off. Ty, touch it.
I bet it's hard.
I would eat it. I'm still.
No, it's hot. It's like Jello. All right. Sitting down. Standing of I don't know his height. Tyler eating the world's most now that it's exposed to room temperature.
No. Oh.
Do you know that could look what it? Show him the inside. Show him the inside.
Show the inside. No, the other
Show him
side.
the inside. Do you know what that could do to a person?
Not bad.
Let me try.
So that's what it does.
That is.
Crunchy. It's turned crunchy.
Oh yeah, it feels weird. I'm gonna eat it.
It's like a cookie.
That is crazy. Well, now you guys know.
Uh.
You're
It's so best marshmallow I've ever tasted. So that is a marshmallow that has been in a microwave for 3 minutes. Oh, still trying to get the taste out of my mouth. It's again our 100th video, and until next time, 3, 2, 1, soup. Bye, guys. Subscribe to Tanner Crew. Double soup.